take the picture. 8 seconds kureta nujenga. So here, when clients come, they get double opportunity. They see vanilla in the garden. Again, we have the vanilla shop where we sell vanilla sticks. They came from Mexico. The whole world, it originated from Mexico. Then Africa was grown first by Madagascar. From Madagascar, it came to Zanzibar, Tanzania, then finally here in Uganda. That's the route how it moved all the way from Mexico to Uganda. That's step one. I give my information on this. When you look at the plant, this is the plant, not this one.
Oh.
This is vanilla, but not this. So vanilla is a climbing plant. You see? It's a climbing plant. How it is climbing. And it is one of the what we call orchidea plants. I don't know if you understand it very well. Orchid, yes. One of them. Because there are so many orchidea plants, then including shade. Little shade and little sunlight from, not direct sunlight from the sun to the vanilla plant. That's why we planted them under banana plant. We do plant to give the support of the vanilla as a climber. You know, most all the climbers, they grow with the support of another plant. So, of all plants around in our environment, we chose this. We found that scientifically, we proved that this one and vanilla grow together symbiotically. The ground, they become stranglers because they enable the vein to get tightened itself to the mother vanilla so that it can get support of climbing. This vanilla is the plant which takes so long. Blooms flowers.
Yeah, 3 years.
3 years.
Okay.
After blooming flowers, again, as I've told you that the plant was not originally grown here, it was imported. Again, in our environment, we don't have any insects. We do that one. When this flower is mature enough and ready for pollination, instead of bees to visit it to pollinate it, we do open it ourselves gently with a needle. You look for the male part and the female part.
Vanilla beans.
Yes, when they are still fresh in the garden. Again, vanilla sticks, you see, with the best smell. This smell, if you leave them open, the smell will loop off. And that's why we keep it always closed. And